So you are a metallurgical engineer from NIT Raipur, and you now want to try for civil services. Why? Being an engineer, and metallurgical engineering is very specialized engineering.
Metallurgical.
Metallurgical.
Sir, I want to join civil services because I think it is one of the best career option we have. Sir, the nature of the work of civil servants is generally of welfare nature. So civil servants get respected for it as well as they are getting paid for it. So it is financially stable, the job security is also there, and job satisfaction is also there. That is why, sir.
Then why did you go to NIT?
Sir, I have joined National Institute of Technology with metallurgical engineering according to my rank, which I have got in joint entrance
No,
examination.
my question is that why did you write the exam for going to engineering? If you had, you thought civil service is better option for you.
Sir, because the minimum qualification for civil services is graduation. So I have to anyhow do graduation, and NIT was the best college in my Raipur district. That's why, sir.
So now, what are you doing these days now?
Sir,
Only
currently,
preparing for civil services or doing something else also?
sir, I am preparing for civil services, and apart from that, I am also doing a certification course on disaster management from Indira Gandhi National Open University. It is a distance learning program, sir.
So, in disaster management, what is the topic that you have handled so far? In the what have you learned so far?
Sir, in disaster management, the basic purpose of that certification course is to make students aware about the disaster proneness of our country in different parts and possible solutions for government, for administration, and for citizens in particular.
Can you cite one case? For example, there is a sudden cyclone in the coastal area.
Yes, sir.
Now, how the government should tackle it?
So, government at the district level should have some immediate and short term and long term steps apart from having pre-disasters precautionary measures. So, pre-disaster, some measures need to be taken like development of shelters, because during cyclone there is a loss of physical infrastructure. Apart from that, buffer stocks needs to be created, and warehouses for having first aid devices and medicines and generic medicines need to be stored. So during the disaster, district administration need to have a separate team, a separate cadre of volunteer workers who can help in evacuation, not only for the people residing in that area but also for the tourists, because generally tropical cyclones happen in coastal areas which is famous for beaches, so there would be tourists also. So for the evacuation of tourists, it would be a important task for district administration. And sir, post disaster rehabilitation work needs to be done. The physical infrastructure which is being destroyed, it needs to be rapidly reorganized. So if these steps are taken, then it can be controlled, sir.
So Ayush,
Yes, sir.
from NIT to engineering to geography
Yes, sir.
is optional.
Yes.
Right. Geography, why do you like this subject?
Yes, I like geography.
Okay, why? Give me one reason.
So there are many reasons. First of all, sir, geography, I find it one of the most relatable subject I can find. Whatever I was reading in geography, I can see happening around myself in every day. Apart from that, sir, I also like to draw diagrams.
Okay.
So it is a
So this has
paramount.
driven you to take geography.
Yes, sir.
Right. And geography, if you take it as a subject,
Yes.
right? And because you can look at maps and many other aspects of
Yes, sir.
the world, you can see at a glance, right?
Yes, sir.
We have seen when we talk about Indian Ocean, right? Indian Ocean, when we talk about, we have seen there are very many African countries, right? Through the sea, we can access very well.
Yes, sir.
Can you name me one country which comes in Indian Ocean Rim, IOR, and in geography, right? In the map, if you look at the world map now, if you visualize in front of you, name one African country that we can straight away go from here and it falls in Indian Ocean Rim.
So Ethiopia.
Of course. Tell me, in one of Ethiopia, Somalia, all these countries are there, right? Tell me, what is the major problem of Ethiopia now?
Sir, in specific to Ethiopia,
Tell me.
So that region is generally comes under the Horn of Africa, and the biggest problem is there is of piracy.
Very good.
There are many major sea routes which are passing through that region, which is not very safe currently. So that is a big reason.
Again, Ethiopia, because Ethiopia earlier there was a part of Ethiopia that became a independent country. What was that country? Ethiopia had been divided into two countries. Earlier it was big, right? And again, one part of Ethiopia came out of Ethiopia and became an independent country. That is the number 192 in the United Nations list of countries. What is the last country in United Nations today?
South Sudan. Yes.
Right, Juba, capital Juba.
Yes, sir.
Right. And what is 192? That was a part of Ethiopia.
Sir, can I guess?
Yeah, you can guess.
Sir, is it Eritrea?
You're right, very right. Eritrea was a part of Ethiopia and it became the 192 in the numbering, and 193 is South Sudan with capital Juba.
Juba, yes.
Right. Okay. And as you practice intermittent fasting,
Yes, sir.
I can see from your figure. Okay. What does it mean?
Sir, intermittent fasting is a eating pattern in which we strategically set our fasting and feasting time to achieve optimum health.
Okay.
Fasting and feasting time.
Yes, sir.
You're
Sir,
fasting also,
feeding-
you're feasting also.
Yes, sir.
How is it possible? How is it possible? Tell us.
Sir, it is possible, sir,
Right.
because there are many major functions which are happening in our body. So, for example, out of that, most important thing is digestive process. So, when digestion happens, majority of our body functions get concentrated into it. So, when we feed ourselves, the most important thing of our body becomes digestion. So, sir, many other major functions get overlooked during that time. So, sir, if we fast, then apart from digestion, those important functions like rejuvenation of our body organs, having a good sleep can enhance.
Okay.
In
That is
way,
what
sir.
is the advantage of intermittent fasting. Since you are from are you from Chhattisgarh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chhattisgarh has a long problem, tries to it Maoism, right? And you can say Naxalism, Maoism. There was a concept and a thing, something called Salva Judum,
Yes, sir.
right? What does it all mean?
Sir, Salva Judum was the brainchild, the concept of Mr. Mahendra Karma, who was a leader of Congress. Sir, in this, the basic aim was to train a cadre of tribals who were called special police officers who would fight against the Naxalites and the Maoists who were creating law and order situation especially in southern Chhattisgarh. Sir, in 2013 it was declared unconstitutional by Supreme Court.
Okay, but why does Salva Judum had to be brought? Because Indian police officers are very, efficient. We have new state, Chhattisgarh, and it has got a cadre of IPS officers. Even army has been given, CRPF had been given. Why this kind of a thing? We need to take the help of the locals to fight even the locals. It was locals versus local.
Yes.
If the war, if I understand very well, why it has to be brought by Mahendra Karma? Give me only one reason.
Sir, maybe according to my understanding, the region is very isolated and that region is not explored yet. And also the problem of tribals, they can understand it very well. So if we train a cadre of special police officers who are from the tribal origin only, so they can handle their issues better.
But
This
once
only.
you designate normal tribal men, even there are a metric. I had traveled to Chhattisgarh,
Yes, sir.
far and wide I have traveled. So what I have seen is that those people, those who are even metric pass, even class 10 pass, they have been designated as police officers. And once they have been designated as a police officer, and the normal police officers are IPS officers or state government officers, those who come up to the level of IPS, right, after getting promotion. There was a problem because of, once these people have become, at that level with having arms and ammunitions, don't you think that was a wrong on the part of the state government to allow such kind of things, just to fight the locals? They could have taken some other strategy. Was it wrong to, designate these local tribesmen as police officers? Tell me yes or no.
So it was right according to me, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Why it was right?
So it was right because it gives them respect, it gives them dignity that they are equal to the government of India, which is the main problem which they have.
But that was not the issue.
Yes,
They
sir.
have to fight this, local insurgents or say rebels. That is how they had been given. It was not something of that equivalent to government of India or respect. Something they had been given that responsibility to fight
A
these
particular
rebels.
task, yes.
Particular task. Right.
Yes, sir.
So how did they serve? Why Supreme Court had to order stop this nonsense? Why? Why this is happening?
Sir, because it led to gross human rights violation in that region. That's why it was declared ultra vires.
Okay. To me, what is happening is that there is an author you must have also heard called Arundhati Roy. Have you heard about her? Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati Roy, yes, sir.
She has written a book called God of Small Things. Very famous book, and she has also won first Indian woman to win Booker Prize. Right. This lady, along with other one gentleman called also an author Ramachandra Guha,
Yes.
they have all stood in favor of this Salvajism, right? And they have gone down there saying gross human rights. They have filed petitions in the Supreme Court. They had been at times arrested. Why do you think this kind of intellectuals got into the job of something of a law and order situation of a state? What was their main motive? Tell me.
Sir, although I am not aware of their main motive, but according to my understanding, these historians like Ramchandra Guha have always stood for human rights and the rights of tribals in that region. So,
But
sir,
Ramachandra Guha is a Bengali, settled in Uttarakhand. Arundhati Roy is from Kerala, also a Bengali, and settled in Delhi. Very elite lady.
yes,
Why they are engaged in a law and order situation of Chhattisgarh? What they have to do? They are writer, let them write only. What do you think? What was their motive? Not sure?
no, sir. I'm not-
Okay, anyway, now what we have seen from 2014, India has seen a very different kind of a decade or very different kind of an opening as many authors are writing. Not you, me and all of us are saying, because there's a new government that has come to power under Narendra Modi. What do you think, what kind of new things he is bringing? Give me three.
Sir, in which context?
Any context. Many people are saying India is emerging. India is emerging in the world, class institutions. India has been revered more now than before. What are the three things that Modi ji is bringing? Three things, specify. Yeah.
So, first of all, it must be the foreign policy of our country.
No, not must be. What is it?
According
Foreign
to
policy.
you.
According to you.
Sir, I think it is first of all foreign policy, because after 2014 we have seen a very dynamic and vibrant foreign policy change in our country.
That is one. Second.
So,
Take your time. Think.
yes, sir.
You are going to be a future bureaucrat.
So, secondly, the tourism potential of our country has came into the forefront. Like there are many schemes like Prasad scheme, which have tried to put forward our ancient culture, our different way of life into forefront.
That is second. Third.
So thirdly, sir, there is huge impetus given in changing the image of our country. For example, schemes like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan aims to show that our country is now developing. Also, there are many other schemes which aim to bring foreign direct investment in our country.
Now, my last question to you is that India in the next 20 years, if we look at India today, economy is very bad now, right? In the last 20 years, do you think India can emerge as one of the best leaders in the world?
Sir, in next 20 years?
Next 20 years, I am giving you time. By that time, you'll be a matured IAS officer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I think India can emerge as a...
Why?
Sir, because there are many good things in our favor. Like we have demographic dividend. We are having 65% of our Indian population below age of 35.
One. Second.
Sir, secondly, if we see currently, our macroeconomic parameters are on right track. Our fiscal deficit is still 3.8 and we can control it according to the economic survey of this year. Sir, apart from this, there are many other sections of our country, many other parts of our country which are still unexplored. For example, Northeast India, like
No, I come from Northeast, has been fully explored. Who say? Anyway,
explored-
go ahead. I am just
ex-
intervening. Go ahead. Right. Yeah.
so unexplored in terms of tourism potential, it's tribal culture, which is a potential source for export. So similarly, sir, also we have equal number of women in our country, like 50% population of our country is women. Their potential is still not untapped, which will definitely be tapped in next 20 years.
So all these three parameters that you have listed, on the basis of that, you can see India can be a leader
Definitely,
in the
sir.
next 20 years.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ayush,
Yes, sir.
so intermittent fasting is your hobby,
So it is my interest.
interest. Okay. And extracurricular activities and interests. So you want to do. What is ketosis?
So when a person goes in a specialized diet in which he or she reduces intake of carbohydrates and subsequently increases the intake of fats and protein, then there is a special metabolic process in our body called ketogenesis, in which ketones are produced in our body, which helps to shed fats out of our body, sir.
You take fat to reduce fat. Something like this you're saying.
No, sir, I am saying that
Okay. Can I get a page? That's it. That's it. Yeah. Can you draw iron carbon diagram here? Take this. Draw it. Keep writing the names as well. Different product.
sir, I am not able to recall right now, sir, completely.
Keep it here. No, you have also appeared for CDS, then National Defense Academy and Naval Academy.
Yes, sir.
So you want to become IAS? Why you want to join CDS then?
Sir, after my 12th, I got an opportunity to give the examination of National Defense Academy. I was got aware about it. So I've given it and I've cleared my written examination. So I have given SSB to get a very good experience.
Talk about CDS. That
Yes, sir, I have also given because it was conducted by UPSC. But during that time, sir, there was my end semester examinations in my college and also examinations of NCC. So that's why I was not able to attend SSB of it.
No. You appeared right in CDS examination.
Yes, sir, written examination.
You want to become IAS also. You want to join CDS also. So what was the rationale behind going for CDS? I mean, what was the motive behind appearing this examination?
Sir, there was no major motive while giving those examinations. I just wanted to check my knowledge because it is considered as a very good examination. So, sir, that's why I have given it.
Just to check your knowledge, you appeared for CDS examination.
It's a very specific exam. That's what sir
Yes,
is
sir.
asking. Combined Defense Service is a very prestigious. You could become Bipin Rawat one day.
What
If you go
knowledge?
ahead.
What knowledge you wanted to check about? Anyway, so you are doing disaster management right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose something like coronavirus outbreak happens in India. So what should be done?
So, at national level,
Yeah.
yes, sir. So, first of all, we need to identify from where it has get its origin. In current situation, it is from Wuhan, that is from China. So, whatever products and whatever
You are made the in charge of Is there any authority in India to handle disaster?
Sir, National Disaster Management Authority is
You are the head. Now, your action.
So first of all the flights which are coming from China and all the products from which these viruses can be
Outbreak has already happened
In India, what
in
will you do now?
India.
in India.
Yes. Now what?
Sir, then first of all we need to find the specific location from where patients are coming. Those locations must be quarantined such that it doesn't spread.
Then
So secondly, there should be increased focus upon finding its vaccination or its antidote if it can be found out.
there is no antidote right now.
Okay, sir. If there's so, but at least we can give impetus to it.
There is nothing. I'm saying today it has happened. Now you're the head,
Yes, sir.
and there is
Sir,
outbreak.
Then those patients which are affected by it, they need to be given the available aid and medical facilities such that it does not spread to outer regions.
Is it in the ambit of National Disaster Management Committee?
Yes, sir.
Is there any nodal agency for audit of preparedness for disasters or disaster management? Is there any authority to audit the preparedness for district level or whatever level it is?
Sir, I am not aware of this.
Okay. So your subjects were geography, right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, subject was geography. So what are the different types of cyclone?
So there are two types of cyclone. First is called tropical cyclone, and second is called extratropical, that is temperate cyclones.
So what is the difference between temperate cyclone and tropical cyclone?
So difference can be on many fronts. First of all, tropical cyclones, as name suggests, those are formed between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. That is from 20. And sir, secondly, temperate cyclones are formed generally in mid latitudes. So apart from this, in tropical cyclones there are no formation of fronts, while in temperate there are. So thirdly, the difference in geographical phenomena, like in temperate cyclone, the rainfall is swift, steady, and it is not very rapid, while in tropical cyclones the rainfalls are very sudden and it lasts for very long.
Okay, which kind of cyclone would we find in Mumbai?
So tropical cyclone.
Have you ever heard of any kind of cyclone in Mumbai?
Yes, sir. Maybe.
The cyclone originated in Arabian Sea?
Yes, sir. It originates.
Are you sure about it? Which part of Arabian Sea?
Sir, generally which are much warmer regions of Arabian Sea.
What are the characteristics for tropical cyclone?
So characteristics.
Suitable conditions.
So first of all, the temperature of the surface should be around 26 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius.
Right.
There should be already a pre-disturbance in that region.
Is there any possibility to have that in Mumbai coast?
So sometimes what happens is
No, sometimes. Is there any possibility to have that kind of condition there in Mumbai coast?
So according to my understanding, it may happen when tropical cyclone recur to the western regions of our country. In that case, sir, it may happen.
Have you ever heard of getting a tropical cyclone in the western part of any continent or country, which has got sea on both east and west side?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of cyclone in California? Tropical cyclone in California?
Sir, I am not able to recall.
Read about it.
Yes.
Okay, there is this news about bushfire in Australia.
Yes, sir.
Can there be any impact of this bushfire on monsoon? Indian monsoon?
So till now there is no research which I have read about it. But sir, these weather phenomena are generally interlinked. In that capacity, some effect.
What is Walker cycle?
Sir, it is a condition in generally which happens in Indian Ocean region, where the temperature of eastern Indian Ocean in southern part, that is in the western Australia, increases, and a cell is formed. Sir, I have to revise it again, sir.
Okay, you're from Chhattisgarh. You have done your engineering in metallurgy. Tell me the types of iron ores.
So there are many types of iron ore like magnetite, hematite, siderite, limonite, and there is bog iron ore also.
Okay, so which kind of iron ores are found in Chhattisgarh?
Sir, hematite and magnetite both are found.
Where do you find magnetite in Chhattisgarh?
Sir, I have to read it, sir.
Okay. What is the economic status of Chhattisgarh? How do you rate it? How is it performing?
Sir, I am not ready with the data. I have not read the.
No, don't need to tell me the data. You just your assessment about economic status of Chhattisgarh.
Sir, Chhattisgarh is having huge potential when it comes to agriculture. We are generally known as, Chhattisgarh is generally known as the rice bowl of our country. But then also we see that the farmers and especially the tribals are not getting the remunerative prices. In that capacity,
What is the economic status of Chhattisgarh as per you? Good, bad, ugly, very good, outstanding?
sir, it is good, but a lot needs to be done, sir, currently.
So, what is the per capita income of people of Chhattisgarh?
Sir, I am not aware of it.
Okay. So, you did NCC, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the motto of NCC?
So it is unity and discipline.
What is the motto of your engineering college?
Sir, I have to read it.
From where does this Mahanadi river originate?
Sir, I am not able to recall.
There was a dispute between Chhattisgarh and Odisha
Yes, sir.
about a dam project that is, not Odisha, Andhra,
Yes, sir.
about the dam project. Can you tell me about that dam project?
Sir, I have to read it, sir.
What is organic farming?
Sir, organic farming is a unique type of farming in which no chemicals, no pesticides are used, and it is generally very sustainable, and it favors our nature.
Okay, Ayush.
Yes, sir.
So, last thing, I've asked you so many questions. You can ask me a question. I've asked you 20-25 questions. You can ask me a question now. Ask me the toughest question possible.
Sir, there is no question.
There is no question. Thank you.
Wait, we'll call you. Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Call.
You started off well, but बाद में थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो गया. क्या बात हो गई? हाँ?
सर, थोड़े टफ सवाल थे तो.
सवाल नहीं टफ थे. नहीं देखो सवाल टफ नहीं होते हैं. उसको
टफ
थोड़ा
नहीं होते?
टैकल करना है.
बस आप अप्रोच होता है सर करिए कल बोलने बाद में
आपने स्टार्ट तो बहुत अच्छा शुरू में किया और जो जनरल क्वेश्चन थे उनका आपने अच्छा जवाब दिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ के क्यों इसमें आना चाहते वो सब ठीक था. वो सब मतलब हमने जितने लोगों से पूछा था उसमें योर्स वाज द बेस्ट.
Right.
You did the so that answer is good and you can retain that if they ask you that question you can say the same thing.
Sir, in which questions are you?
After having done engineering why are you trying for these jobs? So that response was good. लेकिन जब सवाल पूछना लोग शुरू किए आपको तो उसमें आपकी तैयारी थोड़ी कम नज़र आई. तो ये बताएंगे.
अभी आपको एंड ऐसे सर बताया ना आपको और एक क्वेश्चन सर वाज आस्किंग कि नेशनल डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी
हाँ.
you are doing a kind of a degree from IGNO. IGNO is not a open university, it's a very prestigious university, Asia's first open university, let me tell you. And when you are doing a degree from that, distance education only they provide, okay? So when you are talking about national disaster management authority, उसकी ambit क्या है? What kind of authorities it has? कोरोना वायरस को मिला के सर ने जैसे पूछा, you should be very prepared. And second thing I am a bit upset about that is that home state. होम स्टेट के बारे में आपको बिल्कुल ही मतलब मुझे नज़र नहीं आ रहा है आपको कहीं. एंड आई वॉज अबाउट टू आस्क यू बट आई स्टॉप. जैसे 15 ईयर्स का रमन सिंह का रूल रहा, ठीक है, एंड अजीत जोगी वॉज द फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, राइट. एंड उसके बाद जो छत्तीसगढ़ की आगे बढ़ा रमन सिंह के अंदर 15 ईयर्स, नाउ अगेन कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट हैज कम. देयर आर मेनी क्वेश्चंस दे विल आस्क यू. इट इज़ ए प्रॉब्लम रिडन स्टेट एज वेल एज इट इज़ ए वेरी रिच स्टेट व्हेन इट कम्स टू नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. आप इसको बिल्कुल क्लियर करें. एंड अदर वन थिंग इज दैट मुझे लगा जो आपको जैसे आई वॉज आस्किंग अबाउट साल्वाजुदम में ये दोनों ऑथर ये हो गया था, हाँ राइट, रामचंद्र गुहा एंड दिस. इट वाज अ नेशनल न्यूज़. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का भी इसके राय है, बहुत कुछ है. और साल्वाजुदम क्यों स्टॉप किया है, आई थिंक यू शुड बी कम्प्लीटली अवेयर. आई डिड नॉट आस्क. बहुत अवेयर होना जरूरी है. ये छत्तीसगढ़ की एक चीज़ है. जब भी हम लोग भी स्टूडेंट था, ये अपना कोर्स में एक कोर्स था, नक्सलिज्म इन छत्तीसगढ़, माओइज्म इन छत्तीसगढ़, पूरा एक पेपर पढ़ाया गया था 6 मंथ्स की. तो ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. और व्हेन यू आर एंड यू हैव ऑल्सो स्टडीड इन छत्तीसगढ़, इंजीनियरिंग तक अब छत्तीसगढ़ का ही रहा, एंड यू आर नॉट आउटसाइड, ठीक है. तो आपको बहुत मतलब साल्वाजुदम इज बिग थिंग, जस्ट स्टडी इट. और बाकी मोदी जी आने के बाद जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि मोदी बीइंग ए प्राइम मिनिस्टर आफ्टर क्या क्या चेंज हुआ, उसमें आपका हेजिटेशन है, क्या है, वो है, ये है. यू शुड बी वेरी क्लियर. फॉरेन पॉलिसी नहीं बोलने का, फॉरेन अफेयर्स में कैसे हमारा चेंज हुआ. 54 नेशंस को मोदी ने दिल्ली बुलाया, उसमें अफ्रीका इंडिया समिट करवाया, और कितनी चीज़ें उसने आगे बढ़ लेके. फॉरेन पॉलिसी वॉज अ राइट स्टार्ट, और वो 54 नेशंस को दिल्ली में बुला के अफ्रीका इंडिया समिट करने से लेके आज पूरा इंडिया में 109 टूर्स कर लिया ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड. वो सब जो हो रहे हैं आप यू शुड रीड. एंड यू बीइंग ए वेरी यंग कैंडिडेट, राइट, एंड दे विल हैव एक्सपेक्टेशन, राइट. एंड यू लुक, मुझे तो लगता है आपका जो पर्सनैलिटी है शार्प है, बहुत प्लेजेंट है, आप बहुत यंग हो, उसमें से बोर्ड का भी थोड़ा एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ जाएगा, थोड़ा बच्चे आगे आंसर देगा, नहीं दे पाएगा जैसे सर ने बताया, तो उसमें वो आपका निगेटिव बनेगा. अदरवाइज पर्सनैलिटी वाइज यू प्रेजेंट वेरी वेल, विथ स्माइलिंग फेस, बढ़िया सा है, इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग भी है आपके पास, वो भी एक असरा है, तो मुझे लगा उसमें आपको बनेगा. अभी सर बाकी बताएगा आपको एक बार.
देखिए क्या है, यू आर क्वाइट यंग, 23 ईयर्स 1 मंथ.
यस सर.
एग्जैक्टली 1 महीना, 22 जनवरी का आपका जन्म है, राइट. देखिए यू गॉट टू अंडरस्टैंड कपल ऑफ थिंग्स. आप ना आपके डैश में कुछ काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें हैं, ठीक है. यू डिड योर इंजीनियरिंग इन मेटलर्जी, एंड छत्तीसगढ़ इज द मोस्ट डाइवर्स स्टेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मिनरल्स, राइट. सो you should be very sure about what is there, what is not there. Okay. I asked you questions related to iron. Iron carbon diagram रट लेना भाई.
yes,
Anybody can ask you. And then यार मैग्नेटाइट इंडिया में सिर्फ छत्तीसगढ़ में मिलता है.
Yes.
सिर्फ छत्तीसगढ़ में मिलता है.
Nowhere else.
And we are exporting it to Japan. And वहाँ से फिर then we are buying iron. जिसपे कि everybody says जो इसकी कंपनी है आयरन स्टील की कंपनी, वो कहती है कि गवर्नमेंट की क्या पॉलिसी ये है कि इसको एक्सपोर्ट करने दिया जाता है, हमें दे दो. सो यू शुड नो अबाउट दिस.
यस सर.
छत्तीसगढ़ की प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, छत्तीसगढ़ की इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस क्या है. प्रॉब्लम्स है ना भाई, नक्सलिज्म है, प्रॉब्लम है तभी तो है. वाई इट इज़ नॉट डेवलप. सिमिलर द कंडीशन झारखंड और इसमें कोई बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है, दोनों मिनरल रिच है, दोनों का बहुत डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ. स्टेट बाइफर्केशन हुआ. आई वाज आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन कि बिहार से अलग होने के बाद वाई झारखंड डिडंट डेवलप, व्हाट इज द इशू. ये यहाँ भी पूछ सकते हैं. नथिंग हैपेंड. यू वांटेड द स्टेट, यू गॉट द स्टेट, नथिंग हैपेंड.
Nothing is happening.
यू शुड बी वेरी श्योर व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़, राइट. बाय द वे कीटोसिस जान लेना, इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग करते हो, कीटोसिस इज नॉट व्हाट यू सेड, राइट.
ओके सर.
कीटोसिस में आप जो खाते हो ना, वो उतना ही वो इस फॉर्म में आ जाता है बॉडी आपका. तो आप जो खा रहे हो उस शरीर के जो एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके लिए वो यूज हो जाता है. जैसे बच्चा जो पैदा होता है ना, जो उतना ही खाता है जितनी उसकी ज़रूरत है, और वो साइकिल में रहता है. यू रीच टू दैट साइकिल. आप खाते हो, पचता है, और सीधा एनर्जी बॉडी के एनर्जी के लिए यूज होने लग जाता है. तो डायरेक्ट प्रोसेसिंग, बीच का इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट खत्म होता है. तो यू गॉट टू रीड अबाउट कीटोसिस,
कीटो डाइट बोल रहे हैं
जो राइट. उसके बाद देखो आप CDS के लिए गए थे, आपने तैयार किया, तो जस्ट लाइक दैट वो एग्जाम देने देख लो यार.
नो यू कांट स्पीक लाइक दिस.
You can't say that.
नहीं बिल्कुल.
अभी स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दिस कोर्स ऑफ डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, और अभी ये चाइना में इतना बड़ा इशू हुआ है, ठीक है. इफ समथिंग ऑफ दिस सॉर्ट हैपेंस इन इंडिया ना, पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. क्या कोई ऑडिट है? अगर ऑडिट एजेंसी नहीं है, यू कैन सजेस्ट कि अभी भी वक्त है एक ऑडिट एजेंसी बनाना चाहिए कि सबकी प्रिपेयर्डनेस चेक हो, जो वनरेबल एरियाज आइडेंटिफाई, यू शुड हैव योर ओन एक्शन प्लान इन माइंड। इट माइट बी आस्क्ड कि यार आप क्या बोलते हो, क्या करना चाहिए, आपके पास एक्शन प्लान रेडी नहीं था, आपके पास होना चाहिए। मेरे अगर ऑडिट एजेंसी है सो ऑडिट होनी चाहिए, अगर ऑडिट एजेंसी नहीं है तो ऑडिट एजेंसी बनाओ। वनरेबल एरियाज कहाँ हैं, कहाँ से हो सकता है, ये एक आउटब्रेक है। कितने तरह का, सर ने शुरुआत किया साइक्लोन से पूछा, मैंने उसको आगे एक्सटेंड किया, आपको कोरोना वायरस पे ले आया। कल को हो सकता है कि इधर में ऐसा आ जाए कि हो सकता है कि इधर में कि एकदम वो आ जाए, अर्थक्वेक आ जाए। वी आर ऑन अ मेजर अर्थक्वेक जोन, राइट? So we have got lot many vulnerabilities which you must have read in your this studies,
Yes.
जो आप कोर्स कर रहे हो उसमें।
Yes, sir.
So you should आपका एक एक्शन प्लान है, इस कंट्री के लिए एक्शन प्लान रेडी होना चाहिए। दूसरा आपने बोला देखो ज्योग्राफी आपका सब्जेक्ट है, ज्योग्राफी के बारे में आप प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हो। अरबियन सी साइड उस साइड में नहीं आता, ठीक है, हमेशा इस साइड में आएगा, ईस्टर्न पार्ट में। क्यों? जो डिस्टर्बेंस बनने की बात है ना, वेव चलता है, उसका एक पार्ट छोड़ देता है, वो साइक्लोनिक छोटा सा मूवमेंट रहता है और वो फिर इंजन बन जाता है। वो उस साइड में नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि एक करंट फ्लो चल रहा होता है। कैलिफोर्निया साइड में नहीं होता है, हमेशा इस साइड में होता है। इंडिया के वेस्ट जो बे ऑफ बंगाल साइड है ना, हमेशा उधर है, इधर का नहीं सुनने मिलेगा। यू गॉट टू बी वेरी श्योर अबाउट दिस। ऑस्ट्रेलियन बुश फायर इतना बड़ा चीज़ हुआ ज्योग्राफी का, ट्राई टू थिंक। मैंने आपको इसका हिंट दिया कि वॉकर साइकिल है, 2 वॉकर साइकिल होता है सोमालिया कोस्ट, और वहाँ से ये सारा कुछ ड्राइव होता है। एक वॉकर साइकिल का एक पोर्शन जो है वहाँ डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, कुछ तो इम्पैक्ट होगा। एटलीस्ट यू कैन से दैट कि इससे और कनेक्टेड हो सकता है, कुछ इम्पैक्ट तो होगा। द पॉइंट इज टू से कि आपको यू गो टू प्रिपेयर अबाउट सब्जेक्ट ऑल्सो। छत्तीसगढ़ के बारे में आपको प्रिपेयर करना है, यू गो टू प्रिपेयर अबाउट छत्तीसगढ़, यू गो टू प्रिपेयर अबाउट ज्योग्राफी ऑल्सो। सिंस यू हैव डन मेटलर्जी एंड इंडिया इज द, आई मीन ये गवर्नमेंट का जो सबसे बड़ा फोकस पॉइंट क्या है? मेक इन इंडिया।
मेक इन इंडिया।
मेक इन इंडिया किस फील्ड में आप करोगे जिसमें आपका स्ट्रेंथ है? वेयर इज द स्ट्रेंथ? आयरन स्टील में आपका स्ट्रेंथ है ना, यू गॉट वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट एंड अप मार्केट कंपनी, यू गॉट टाटा स्टील, जिंदल स्टील, सो मेनी। एंड आप उस स्टेट से हो जहाँ पर कि इसके मिनरल जो एबंडेंस में है। Iron is not only thing. You got manganese, you got cobalt, so many things are there. अभी तो सोनभद्र में आज आया है कि वो 3000 का गोल्ड रिजर्व है, राइट? छत्तीसगढ़ से सटा ही हुआ है ऊपर, यूपी में आता है, टेक्निकली यूपी में है, बट टोपोग्राफी के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो वो एक छत्तीसगढ़ का ही पार्ट उसको माना जाए। सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर। आप सोचोगे ना,
Yes, sir.
you should have something in your mind. How do you see your Chhattisgarh, your state? कहाँ है और कहाँ ले जाना है, राइट? यू गोट टू प्रिपेयर, राइट? तो आपको क्वेश्चंस थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है? मैंने जो हम लोगों ने जो सवाल पूछे, बेसिकली ये नहीं है कि वो एग्जॉस्टिव सवाल हैं। हमारे पूछने का मतलब ये था, वी जस्ट वांटेड टू टेस्ट योर यू नो नॉलेज, कहाँ तक आप डीप घुसे हो। सो डू इट। आपका इंटरव्यू कब?
31st March.
बहुत टाइम है,
बहुत टाइम है,
बहुत टाइम है, बहुत कुछ प्रिपेयर करना है।
1 महीने तो है ही आपके पास।
आपका ड्राफ्ट में इतना इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, इतने सारे इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स हैं कि आप अगर चाहो तो उसमें से ही प्रिपेयर करके अपना इंटरव्यू निकाल सकते हो। क्योंकि अगर वहाँ आप फंसोगे तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा? दे विल स्टार्ट आस्किंग रैंडम क्वेश्चंस, डेटा सेंट्रिक, प्रॉब्लम होगी। ड्राफ्ट में आपके है इतना पॉइंट कि आप अपने ड्राफ्ट के अराउंड ही सेंटर कर सकते हो इंटरव्यू को, राइट? सब्जेक्ट अच्छा है, आप इंजीनियरिंग आपने करा, वो भी एक इंटरेस्टिंग टाइप की चीज़ है। एंड देन योर ऑफ यंग एज, आपके हॉबीज़ बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग टाइप के हैं। जो है ना, हर कोई वो इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग में हर कोई इंटरेस्टेड होगा। दौड़ के फैट जो है ना गलाने में थोड़ा सा एफर्ट लगता है।
सर जॉगिंग भी लिखा है।
हाँ, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं। जॉगिंग करके और दौड़ के वेट घटाने में ना बड़ा पेन है,
पर इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग तो बैठे हो जाएगा।
तो दे वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड इन नोइंग अबाउट इट। तो साथ में कुछ और सवाल पूछ भी देंगे, कीटोसिस जैसे सवाल ना, कीटोसिस हो गया, वे प्रोटीन हो गया, डू यू टेक प्रोटीन, प्रोटीन के प्लस क्या है, माइनस क्या है, वे प्रोटीन कैसे बनता है, यू डूइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग ना, यू शुड बी नोइंग व्हाट इज दिस। आजकल एक नया वो आया हुआ है डाइट का भी, उसको क्या टेलर्ड मेड डाइट, सबके लिए अलग, उसके लिए कंपनी शुरू हो गई हैं। एक स्टार्टअप है कल्ट फिट करके, वो आपके लिए आपके हिसाब से वो डाइट आपकी टेलर करती है। So tailored diet करके concept है. There are so many things to know.
Yes.
You got to make your interview interesting, and that is in your hand. ठीक है, prepare करिए, right? Okay, thank you.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civils Daily.